Welcome to Heritage Creek 55 Plus, the only new 55 Plus community in Milton within walking distance of Dogfish Head Brewery and just minutes to Lewes. Hi, I'm Meredith, and we invite you to enjoy affordable single-family retirement living in tax-friendly Delaware. This community offers a unique opportunity to live in the quaint historic setting of Milton, Delaware, just 4 miles off Route 1 and close to everything you need. Living at Heritage Creek means you're just 1 mile from the famous Dogfish Head Brewery with live music, craft brewing, and charity events. Go just a half a mile more and you're in charming downtown Milton, featuring the historic Milton Theater. This is where you can catch comedy shows, musicals, and concerts. Visit Irish Eyes for a traditional Irish meal with your new Miltonian friends. Enjoy outdoor dining overlooking the water at Milton Dough Bar or Tequila Real. Daily conveniences like Food Lion and Walgreens are less than 9 minutes from home, and Bay Health is only 6.5 miles away. Route 1 is a short 10-minute drive that can take you to Plum Island Nature Preserve Beach, where you can go fishing or relax with a good book. For a day in the sand and sun, well-known Rehoboth and Lewes beaches are less than 15 miles away. Enjoy charming local boutiques and amazing dining in downtown Lewes after you're finished on the beach. Homes at Heritage Creek are built with you and your needs in mind. That's right, your owner's suite, gourmet kitchen, and laundry are all where you need them on the first floor of your home. Luxury finishes like 9-foot ceilings, 42-inch cabinets, LVP floors, and more are already included in the base price of your new home. Whether you're spending the weekend away with family and friends or the winter in Florida, you'll never have to worry about who's taking care of your home. Snow removal and lawn maintenance is covered by the HOA. It's time to start living your best life in a 55 plus community you'll be proud to call home. Schedule your appointment today to see everything Heritage Creek has to offer in person. I'm so excited to welcome you home.